We are doing a quick tour of Airport Lanes in Sanford, Florida. They had just reopened. They're back in business and they invited us out. So we are going to show you the bowling, we're going to show you the food, a little arcade, and they even have a pro shop. We went early on a Tuesday. Their hours at that time were noon to midnight, and around 2 p.m. it wasn't busy at all. And I'll also go over some of the specials that they have. It's really fairly priced.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
What my crap?
Frozen Blast, Captain Crane. Yeah, look at that. Fruit Ninja, Terminator Salvation, Stacker. Oh, this is Buddy Boy's favorite, Jurassic Park. Big Buck Wild, Moto GP, Batman, basketball. It's a cute arcade.
Yeah,
It's more than I thought. Yeah. A Crane House. Oh, is there Blossom?
They have
Oh,
Broken.
that's really cool.
What a something, not Mojo.
The pro shop, okay.
Can I try?
$10 for
maybe
6 credits. 60?
20. You get plenty. You get more. 140.
Maybe we can try the plushies. So we got to our lanes, we got our shoes, and Buddy Boy picked out the creature feature, which is like a Halloween style game.
So far, Pumpkin's doing the best.
Are they happy that I did terrible?
Good job.
Woo! Good job, yes. Pumpkin. Here.
Let's go.
No. So they said that pizza is made from Brooklyn. They like the crust comes from Brooklyn, and they stretch it out over here. So I am really curious on trying the pizza. And they have cotton candy cheesecake. Oh my goodness. They have a kids menu that looks really good. It's chicken tenders, burgers, salads, appetizers, loaded nachos, cheese curds, pretzel sticks. Hey, look at you.
Good job.
We put the bumpers on for him because he is... Wait. It's not up yet. You get the bumpers on. And it helps because we don't have a lot of practice. There you go. Good job, buddy. You did good.
Show everyone.
Warman wins.
Can I choose this time?
Yeah.
Angry Birds.
Fling your birds and smash those pigs.
I almost did it.
Yeah, you almost got it.
Look! You can do it! 48,000.
Now let's see how many I got. I got 50,000. Let's see if you can beat my 50,000. No. You may go again or something. 19. Alright, what do you think of the blue raspberry and the mango? Do you like it?
Amazing.
Amazing?
8 out of 10. The mango is the best.
It's really good. I like hers the most.
I like mango too though. Definitely seems more strong than like a regular iced tea, right?
Oh yeah.
It's good. They are gonna let us show a variety here. So the first item is pizza, and of course we're getting to-go boxes. Alright, we got half cheese, half pepperoni. Let's see how this pizza is from Brooklyn. The dough came from New York, Pumpkin. Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my
Because
god.
that's where they make really good pizza. And they do have this up to 5 people per lane for $60. It's actually really good. You get a large one-topping pizza, which we just showed, sodas, shoes, and 2 hours of bowling. So that's like
that's
just
a
over
great
$10
deal.
a person.
That's a great time.
Yeah, that's awesome. How do you like the pizzas?
I love it.
How do you like it, Bunny? You're showing that sour. He's showing that sour face. Amazing. What do you think, Chef Rick?
I like it. I've come here just to pick up a pizza.
Yeah, especially with their deal. It's really good.
That's good.
They said that the sliders come with Thousand Island usually, but for the kids, that they're putting it on the side. And then chicken tenders with the fries and honey mustard. Yum!
They're decent.
Cooking chicken.
They're decent. They're a decent tender.
It's cooking chicken, except
Let me
he's
try.
dead.
A little bit. What's this?
They do have a lot of good options, especially for picky eaters like my kids. What do you think?
Oh, it said it was paused for our convenience.
So they said the wings are really popular, so we got garlic parmesan and mild. Mild's more for daddy, but oh yes, that is a big one. And they do look like nice cheese curds.
They look nice and fresh.
I love
Absolutely.
this.
You love it?
I love this.
Yeah, these are good.
Let's try.
These are better than Culver's.
I like how they're like lightly breaded.
Yep.
If anything, I would come back for the cheese curds and the pizza. I like the wings too. Chef Rick is basically gulping those down. The fries are really good. Cheeseburger's really good. I think anything you get here is going to be a good option. They also had tacos and salad. They have a huge menu. So they paused it so we could eat, so that was nice. Now we're up for the rest. I'm going to try to show some of the games that are on here too. Yeah?
This is unique.
Daddy won one and I won one. We have a bunch of different games. We've done 2 so far. I think we'll do at least one more. And then let the kids do the crane game. And we're also going to try some dessert. We're going to take some of this food home for later. Again, pick one. Stick fan? Okay. This is one of 3 locations, so there is another in Winter Park and there's one in Orlando. So when you first walk in, you have the booth here to get your shoes. They have some signs on here that tell all the specials, and they have a bar. So as of right now, on Mondays they have a trivia night, which is free to play. On Wednesdays they have Texas Hold'em, which also says it's free to play, and then Saturdays they have Latin music and dancing, and Fridays they have Cosmic Fridays with lots of different neon lights. And I wanted to show the desserts because they had a few options that sounded really good. The first one being cotton candy cheesecake, and the second one they said is popular are the funnel cakes with the chocolate drizzle and powdered sugar. Does it taste like cotton candy? You guys are killing it. It does. It has a hint of cotton candy. I like it.
Those are good too. It's nice and crunchy.
I like both of them, but I would say this.
You like this one the best?
I've never had cotton candy cheesecake before, but these are good. They did them the right way.
Just be careful. I don't even want to look, please.
Yes!
Girl, you did it! Ah, you did it! Well, we had luck with the Powerpuff Girl one. We spent $20 to try to get both kids a plush. Unfortunately, the Minecraft one just didn't work out. Buddy Boy really wanted a panda, but it just wasn't budging at all. And they also had a Super Mario crane one too. We have a full playlist of arcades in Central Florida, so I will put that down below if you want to check those out. There's a lot of good arcades around. And finally, with this pro shop, there are all kinds of things you can get in here. Special bowling balls, looks like they were customizable, as well as some really nice shoes. If you are serious about bowling, you want to get into a league, this would definitely be the place to go. Hopefully this video was helpful. When I searched on YouTube for this bowling alley, I didn't see anything come up, so I thought I would do a short video. So stay tuned for more as we have a lot planned for 2024.
And if you can subscribe for more videos, go to our channel and subscribe. Cut!
Click these 2 videos next if you want to see more arcades in Central Florida. There is a brand new arcade Monsters that just opened on International Drive, and the bottom one being a gotcha arcade with a lot of claw machines.